Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EARS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And definitely after today's movement, some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So we'll just get rid of those for now. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I've been talking about 125 as that level of support. But now that the price is down below it, that's going to be the initial area of resistance, that the price needs to break back up above. So $1.25 near-term hurdle that, again, if the price is going to start to make its way back up in the $1.60 and above range, before you can even be talking about or should be talking about $1.60 or above, like I said, the bulls first have to prove themselves at $1.25 by showing they can get back up above it. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, let's talk about a couple of these. First level of support is essentially that gap close location right there at $1. Never quite hit $1, but got within the general vicinity of it. So that'll be the first, area to keep an eye on. So, and that's definitely, I'd say, a preferable area. I mean, if the price breaks below there and then continues on down, at that point, it's putting the chart at some pretty sketchy territory. I wouldn't call the entire chart broken at that point, but it would definitely, really be starting to lose its attractiveness at a very rapid pace. But to be fair, not only did the price not even test $1 today, it did close it with the final 30 minutes, showing this nice screen candle. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. But $1.25 and then $1 are the two key levels from a technical perspective going forward. So let's see how this one goes out for the rest of the week. Still 2 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.